I will show you how to fill the bobbin. So first what you want to do is pull this out. So you want to take the thread and put it here. Just leave it like that for now. And then you want to put the bobbin in here. So with the thread you want to put the in and take that out. Now put the bobbin in place. So you want to hold the thread like this. Turn the machine on. Then just push the thread out. Now fill the bobbin until it's full. Fun part. So you wanna snap that back in. So what you want to do is push it back out. Take it out. Now got like a scissor. Cut it somewhere. I'll show you how to put in the bobbin. So you want to face the thread to your left side. Put that in. It's going to be a slim hole there. I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put that back there. Now put the lid back on. Now I'll tell you how to thread the yarn. So you take the yarn, you put it through here. You have to put this head up, just like that. Now you flip it back up. Then you're gonna put the yarn into here. Now you're gonna do this, and then you're gonna have to put that in there and push it to the back. So grab the yarn. There's a little space here. Push that in there. Now you want to put this like in there. Put that in there, and then you're gonna have to put that in front of there. And then just try and release it. There's going to be a loop. You have to push it out with like a type of pin, something like that. Now I will show you how to hook the bobbin thread. Okay, so you want to go back to here and then just keep doing this. Okay, for sewing you want a straight line and look at the recommended width and recommended length. The recommended width is 605, it's on 605 there, and recommended length is 2, and then it's on 2 right now. So what you want to do is turn on your lights, and then at the back somewhere here there's going to be a lever. Pull it up, then somewhere at the front remove one pin and then just slide it in to that place there, and then now just close it. So when your screws are aligned, you want to sew it slowly. Now you want to press the back button and do it, so it's going to be secured.